Hi guys, look at me. Let me show you how to do camera. Process cameras can use for things. Cameraman and the cameraman. But very intelligent. Very hard. They kill you when you this. If you get shot by the chest, so when you get shot in the back, you need to get healed by the doctor. First, you remove it, and then guys, I'm the cameraman. Colleagues! No, colleagues. No. Not Dorito. Go back to the kitchen. Uy!
Pangalawang araw kami nagsa-cellphone. Pangalawang araw ko na wala cellphone. Dapat na isang bonbon.
Yes!
Kasi pag nakakita siya, pag wala yung TV ng cellphone, kasi wala makikita na ako magamit. Kaso ikaw mismo. Dito kasi marami nakikita. Kaya pero pag sa bahay, wala makikita.
You then
Kahit TV
do
bawal.
some,
Kahit isang bonbon.
and then you put it in the back. So you won't die.
Kaya tingnan mo, basta sa nang bukas.
And now,
Kasi gagalat pa rin yung kamay.
that's how you're perfect safe to be like a soldier or play toys whenever you any toy you like. So just come here and you can get these stickers that I was coming for my book. If you want that, oh my God, what are you? That's my friend. By the way, don't mess with him. Okay. So let's try this out, boys. Goodbye.